Hello guys, welcome back to Smither, and in this video I am going to upload my project on GitHub. So if you don't know what GitHub is, then GitHub is simply a website where you can upload your project. So you can make some repositories, and using that you can upload these. For example, I have my Apple website clone. I can upload this to my GitHub account, and then I'll be able to access it using any device. And also, if you want, then you can let other people access your code. Okay, now today you are going to learn how to use Git to upload your project on GitHub. There is a difference between Git and GitHub. Okay, so here if you search on Google Git, then it is said Git is a software for tracking changes in any set of files, usually used for coordinating work among programmers. Okay, so you just need to understand that we can use Git, this software, to upload our files on GitHub. Simple as that. So now, without wasting any time, let's start this video. So first of all, what you are going to do is you are going to go on Google, of course, and now you are going to type git install. Okay, so here you are going to install Git in your device. So if you are using Mac, then you can download for Mac, but if you're using Windows, then you can download for Windows, and same goes for Linux. So you can click here and then download. So when the download is finished, you are going to open it, and it is just a normal procedure like you install games on your device, so or any software. So it is just the same. Now when you have done installing Git, uh, you are you are going to go to your file or folder which you are going to upload on Git. So I have opened my Apple website clone. So let me just see how it looks. Yeah, so this is how it looks. And now I'm going to move this or upload this from here to here. Okay, so first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new repository. So you can do that like I did by creating. First of all, you have to create your account, of course, on GitHub. And then when you have created your account, you are going to click on this plus button, and you are going to click on new repository. So by clicking on that, you can now create a new repository. A repository is just, you can say a folder on GitHub. Okay, so now I'm going to name it. So I'll just name it Apple website. So I'm going to name it Apple website clone, and here you can write description if you want, but I won't write it now. And I'm going to set it as private. Maybe in a future video I'm going to tell you guys how to upload on public setting. Okay, now you're going to click on create repository. Don't check any of this, so you don't need it now. So create repository. Now your repository is ready, but don't be mistaken, now it doesn't contain anything, as you can see. So now I'm going to go in this folder, um, which I'm going to upload on GitHub. Now I'm going to click right click here, uh, and now I'm going to click on show more options, and here you are going to click git bash here. Okay, first of all, what you're going to do is git config global user dot name, and here you are going to type your name, and same way you are going to type email by replacing name with email. After you have done that, what you are going to do is you are going to type git init. Okay, so it what it does is this initializes the process of uploading this folder on Git. So okay, so now you can see .git folder has been created. So now what I'm going to do is git add dot. Now after that, what you're going to do is you're going to type git Now as you can see, I have written git commit minus m version 1. So like this commit will be saved as version 1, and then when you have to update it, you can write version 1.2 or 2 version 2, like that. Okay, so now I'm going to click on enter, and as you can see, that did something, and now you are almost ready to upload. Now what you're going to do is git remote add origin. So here you have to add your origin, where to save your files. Okay, so now here what you have to write is, you are going to go on Google and the same open the same repository. I had already opened that, so you are going to copy this. Okay, if you are on HTTPS, instead of HTTPS, go on SSH and then copy this. Okay, and come here, come to this terminal, and then press shift and insert. Okay, or instead of that, you can just right click and then paste. So I've done this, and now you're going to press enter. Now what you're going to do is, you're going to search on Google generating a new SSH key. Okay, so I'll just put this website link in the description, so you don't need to worry. So what you're going to do is, you are going to go down and you're going to copy this, okay, this code, paste it in this terminal, and it will ask you to do some steps, so you have to do that. Now what am I telling? I know you're not understanding. So for pushing these files, okay, for pushing these files on GitHub, got to have a SSH key, kind of a password, I can say. So that only you from this computer can upload files on GitHub. Now if I want, suppose I am uploading this file, and suppose if someone else wants to upload this file, he can't do that because he needs an SSH key. So you need to follow these steps. And then one more thing you have to do, yeah, follow these steps. You can read the tutorial, it is very easy. Okay, and you've got to come here. You're going to click over here, and then you're going to go in settings, and now you're going to press on SSH and GPG keys, and you are going to create a new SSH key, like that. Okay, you can add the title, and then after you have done these steps, you will get a code. You're going to paste it over here and you are going to click on add SSH key, and then a new SSH key will be created for your computer. Okay, so I'm just going to go to my repository, and then back again to here. So once you have done that, what you're going to type is git push origin master. Okay, so you're going to type git push origin master and click enter, and now as you can see, your file has been uploaded on GitHub. Your folder has been uploaded on GitHub, I'm sorry. So you're going to reload it like this, and as you can see, all those files have come that I had created. See, images, imgs, index.html, main.js, and style.css. .git will not come because it helps in uploading on GitHub, so you don't need to worry about that. Just don't think about these things, just follow these steps to upload your files on GitHub. Okay, so as you can see, it has all the files, screenshots and all that I had taken. And if I go to index.html, then I can see all the code. Okay, so if now you are going to switch your computer, so you can easily download these files in your computer, okay, in your new computer or a different computer. So now as you can see here, it has given one commit. Okay, one commit. So this, what is this talking about, is that, look, the same commit, the commit which we did in git commit minus m version 1. So this commit will be saved as version 1, and now when you update your website, for example, if I go over here to my Apple website clone, okay, now for example iPhone 14 comes, then I can put a new div, and then I can update this same website as version 2. Okay, so you can do simple as that. Now if I do some changes, okay, as I was talking about, for example, I want to add PHP files. Okay, I make it a full stack project. So for example, if I add a new folder and if I name it PHP. Now, so obviously this folder is empty because I have not added it. But for example, if we make any changes, then if we want to update this same website, so what we are going to do is we are going to right click again, and you are going to click on show more options, and you are going to click again on git bash here. Now what you're going to do is git add dot, okay, and then you are going to type git commit -m, and then for example you're going to type version 1.2. okay, I'm just typing random words, and then you're going to press enter, and then you're going to type the same command git push origin master and click enter and press enter, and then it will be saved again in your this repository, and then new commit will come here version 2, okay, version 1.2, sorry. So you can this is how you can update your file. So guys, this was it for the tutorial. I hope you liked it. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.